a team or community. Yes, you cannot win alone. You need a team or community. Kailangan natin ng kasama. Okay? So you need your leader, you need the support of your members, and you need the support of the members of your community. Okay, Gilivers, ano nga ba dapat nating gawin para matiyak natin na magtatagumpay tayo sa buhay natin, sa career o sa business? Let's go, let's go. So, una sa lahat, dapat meron kang tatlong bagay na to. Okay? So first, you should have your group of mentors. Yes, sa buhay, hindi lang isang mentor ang kailangan mo, hindi lang dalawa. You should have your group of mentors. Doc, bakit maraming mentors ang kailangan ko? Because you need mentors in different areas of our life. Madami po tayong aspeto ng buhay at lahat ng aspeto na yan, kailangan natin ng guidance. Okay? So, like for example, si Rockstar, marami po akong mentor. So, hindi lang isa, hindi lang dalawa, hindi lang tatlo. And in different areas of my business, dito po sa IMG, meron akong iba't ibang mentors. Okay? So, pangalawang meron ka dapat is a team or community. Yes, you cannot win alone. You need a team or community. Kailangan natin ng kasama. Okay? So, you need your leader, you need the support of your members, and you need the support of the members of your community. And third, para magtagumpay tayo sa buhay, kailangan meron tayong platform. Okay? Ano po ba ang platform? It can be your social media platform, it can be your business platform. Okay? Para ma-execute mo yung plan mo, yung gusto mong gawin sa career mo, sa buhay at sa business. Alright? So, Delivers, ang tanong ni Rockstar, gusto mo bang magtagumpay sa buhay? Next question, meron ka ba nitong tatlo na to na kailangan natin? So, kung wala pa po, we can help you sa IMG Rockstar Community. You have your mentor, you have your community, and of course, you have your platform. PM na sa personal FB ni Doc. Let's go, let's go, let's go! Thank you for watching. We are inviting you to attend our free webinar sa IMG Rockstar Community para makapag-invest ka na sa mutual fund at magkaroon ka na ng Kaiser. PM na sa personal FB ni Doc. Let's go, let's go!